there. Today you get a chance to get up, get moving, get outside. We're going to take a look at parts of the plant scavenger hunt. So go ahead and open your assignment. This is in Google Docs, Google Drive for you, so it's conveniently in this folder. Go ahead and open it. And then it tells you to go to this website here and just review the functions of the following plant parts. So we're going to focus today on flower, the fruit, the stem, the leaf, and the root. And then get up and go outside and collect some specimens if you are able. I would prefer you get up and go outside today versus collecting things in the house, but that's completely up to you, of course. And then you're going to take pictures and add them to the slide deck for your plant parts. So I left a slide open here to add new slides. If you are wondering how to do that, all you simply do is go slide up here in the slide toolbar and hit new slide. And then you can click and put, let's say you have a maple tree in your yard and you took a picture of it, and you can add that right here of the leaf. Or you took a picture of the stem, the trunk of a plant that you have outside. Obviously, some things like the roots and that are going to be a little bit more difficult. You can see some tree roots and some other roots outside of plants. We also eat several roots, like carrots and things of that nature. So we don't need to destroy anything to get specimens of roots. You are welcome to get pictures while you're outside as well. But get creative with it and have some fun. I'd love to see your pictures. So, and then when you are done with this, please don't share to my email. Go back into the assignment, and yours is going to say My Document right here. Click on that, and then go over and click Submit on the right-hand side. So please do that, and have a fantastic day.